Alright, so you want to make sure you tough skin and apply adherent spray. You're going to apply the pre-wrap. And when we start the pre-wrap and the tape job, you want to be at the base of the forearm, just like how we would do it for the ankle. You don't necessarily have to wrap around the hand. Okay? So I'm going to start my tape job, have her spread her fingers out, push against my chest or my stomach. Okay? And then start applying the tape. We're going to overlap by half.
Did everyone get their grips?
Yes. Yeah.
Push against me. There we go. You're not gonna hurt me. It's okay.
I would have blocked it.
Okay. And so we have those strips all the way down to the carpals. And then I could also go ahead, if I really want to, is apply a continuous strip. Okay. But making sure that you guys are overlapping by half still. Okay. Now, once that is done, then we're going to go ahead, and our main goal right now is to prevent hyperextension of the wrist, okay? So what we want to do is we're going to apply an anchor strip around the hand, and we always want to end our tape job, especially when we're going around the hand, up top, okay? Just like so, right? Because a lot of the pushing motion happens, and it could tear the tape off if it ends right here. So here's our anchor strip. So now we're going to go ahead and measure from here to here, right, and create our X strips. So about right there. I'm going to do one right down the middle, and then create my X strips like so. Okay. So here's my X strip. Now I'm going to go ahead and place the distal aspect down first. Okay. We're going to go ahead and anchor that down. And then flip it over. And on top. Okay. And now, based on her comfort level, right, we're preventing hyperextension. So we're going to ask her at what point does it start hurting. So if it's here, we're going to pull the wrist into slight flexion. Okay, notice how I'm a little bit too long here on the edge, and so I'll just fold that over. Okay, so from here we're going to go ahead and anchor those down. And again, this doesn't have to go on tight because all we're really doing is anchoring it down onto the hand here. And kind of go all the way around here. Come and flip your hands over. Okay, so that's that, right? So then that prevents her from hyperextending her hand. Now, to finish it off, we're going to go ahead and do the figure 8. So we always want to start off the top of the hand. We're going to go pinch the webbing of the thumb. We're going to go right around the wrist and end back on top. Okay, we're going to do about 2 to 3 of those. Okay, so again, start right there. Pinch the webbing of the thumb.
Not every time.
Okay. And then end back on top. And then last thing you want to do is 1, ask them if that's too tight or if they need it tighter, if that's okay. And then 2, check for pulse motor sensory, capillary refill, okay, movement, and sensation. Okay? That is all.